This is everybody that's on this account and myself witnessing me signing this. Allow me to set you up properly here. Hang on. Whoop. Yep, that's beautiful. All right. So you are all witnessing Master Protection Package, Enhanced Legal Language, Revocation of all powers of attorney. I, Timothy James Hildebrand, born July 1st, 1987, being a full agent of sound mind, hereby issue this formal and irrevocable notice that any and all documents purporting to grant power of attorney over my person, property, financial affairs, medical decision-making, or legal matters are hereby nullified, voided, cancelled, revoked, and rendered without legal effort. Any such document not executed personally by me in ink with verifiable witnesses is fraudulent and unenforceable. No third party may assert authority over me on the basis of any such fraudulent instrument. Cease and desist. Unauthorized representation. You are hereby ordered to cease and desist immediate form, claiming, asserting, implying, or exercising any authority over me, presenting any document or verbal claim indicating you represent me, contacting institutions, agencies, or professionals in my name, accessing, using, transmitting, or referencing my personal or confidential information. Any continued attempt to represent me without lawful authorization constitutes identity misuse, fraud, and actionable harm. You are required to remove my name from any file, authorization list, or record in which you claim agency. Failure to comply will be reported to law enforcement. Of the highest kind. Please report statement template. I, Timothy James Hildebrand, date of birth July 1st, 1987, submit this statement reporting suspected criminal activity involving forgery, fraud, identity misuse, and the unlawful assertion of authority via falsified power of attorney documents. I have never executed any such document. Any document bearing my signature was not signed by me and is therefore fraudulent. I request this matter to be formally investigated, documented, assigned a file number. I am available to provide further evidence or clarification. Hospital and medical notice. The important one for sure. This notice directs the immediate removal and destruction of any alleged power of attorney, substitute decision maker, designation, or third-party authorization from my medical file. I have not assigned any individual to act for me. Under the Mental Health Act and the PHIA, I retain full rights and autonomy. No disclosure, decisions, or actions may be taken based on any fraudulent document. All communication and consent must come directly from me. Identity Protection Notice. I am the sole lawful authority over my identity, medical decisions, financial decisions, and legal matters. No representative, advocate, agency, or decision maker is authorized. All identity or authority claims must be disregarded unless verified personally and directly by me with government-issued identification. Notice of no authority. No individual, institution, or agency holds any authority, legal standing, or delegated power to act for me. Any assertion of agency or representation is categorically denied and prohibited. All prior alleged authorizations, whether forged, assumed, or misrepresented, are invalid. File Protection Directive. This directive is to be placed permanently on file. No decision, disclosure, authorization, or action may be taken on my behalf without my explicit written and witness consent. No third party is permitted to advocate, request records, influence decisions, or communicate on my behalf. Financial Institution Notice. All banking institutions are hereby instructed to revoke, delete, and permanently deactivate any alleged power of attorney or representative access. No third party may access, alter, or inquire about my accounts. All transactions require my in-person identification and physical signature. Any attempt by another party to assert authority must be treated as fraud attempt. Witness name. Well, I guess that's me too. Obviously, this camera. So, Michael Preston, it's you. Address. Everywhere. Steinbeck. Phone number. It'll be mine. Point being is, this is on camera, me signing this. That's the only thing. So I'm posting this obviously to all social media, so it'll be visible by many. Tim was in stable and sound mind in all his statements. Bloop. Summary document. This master protection package formally revokes all alleged powers of attorneys, prohibits unauthorized representation, alerts institutions to possible fraud, and requires strict identity verification. Any individual or institution acting on fraudulent documents does so without legal standing and may face criminal or civil action. That's the first package. Now we move to the master protection document, which basically just enforces that. That's the revocations of all power of attorney. I, Timothy James Hildebrand, born July 1st, 1987, of Manitoba, Canada, hereby revoke and end all powers of attorney. Oh, end there. Whether personal, property, medical, or financial, any such documents are invalid and not signed personally by me. I assert full legal capacity and give no authority to any other party. Cease and desist notice. You are to immediately cease and desist from acting or claiming to act on my behalf. Any representation, communication, or authorization made in my name without my explicit written consent is unauthorized. Remove such claims immediately. Police report statement template. I, Timothy James Hildebrand, date of birth July 1st, 1987, report suspected forgery and an unauthorized use of my identity involving fraudulent power of attorney documents and attempts to act on my behalf. I request this be documented and investigated. Hospital notice. I have never authorized any POA. Dun, dun, dun. Remove any fraudulent POA documents from my file and update records to reflect that I am the sole decision maker for all medical matters. Identity protection notice. I am the only authorized decision maker for myself. No POA or representative is permitted. All identity verification must be done in person. Notice of no authority. No individual or institution has any authority to act for me. All previous claimed authorities are revoked. File protection directive. Permanently note to my file. No decisions may be made for me without my direct written consent. No third-party representation permitted. Financial institution notice. Revoke all claim POAs. Require in-person ID and physical signature for all transactions or account modifications. Witness statement form. Summary document. This document affirms that all POAs are revoked, all representations are unauthorized, and all institutions must be confirmed identity directly with me. Any forged attempts are to be reported as criminal activity. Ta-da!